This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device so you can observe private DNS in Vivo. First, make sure you have developer access or root because standard apps cannot capture encrypted DNS traffic. Next, confirm private DNS is set and note the provider hostname. Then install a capture utility like tcpdump or configure Android Studio Network Profiler. Once done, grant necessary permissions and prepare to start a live capture session for the next step. Now start capturing traffic targeting port 853 for DNS over TLS and port 443 for DNS over HTTPS. Filter by the private DNS hostname you recorded to reduce noise. If the device allows, use local TLS inspection or import a debugging certificate to decrypt TLS sessions. Otherwise, log metadata like SNI, flow timings, and process ID. Make sure to capture from app startup or DNS cache flush so queries appear. Once captured, export PCAP for detailed analysis. Finish by importing your capture into Wireshark and apply filters for DNS and TLS SNI to identify private DNS exchanges. Correlate timestamps and process ID so you can see which app initiated each query and inspect decrypted payloads if available. If you see no queries, flush the device DNS cache and repeat capture. Also check whether the app uses certificate pinning or a separate resolver. One key troubleshooting tip: if TLS decryption fails,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.